Hello everyone, this is Take. This time I'd like to introduce the Japanese Oni, demon, and ONI-GAWARA, devil tile, while cooking ONI-GAWARA YAKI, grilled shrimp. This time I failed in cooking. To make ONI-GAWARA YAKI, remove the back intestine of the shrimp like this.
Wow!
Next, cook the shrimp into two, spread them out, skewer them, sprinkle them with salt. And grilled on the grill machine. The reason why it is called ONI-GAWARA YAKI is because the shape of the shrimp spread out and grilled resembled the face of Oni. Oni is a fictional monster with fangs and horns that harms people, as seen in Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. Since ancient times, the Japanese used the Japanese word Oni to refer to mysterious phenomena or being, but when Chinese characters were introduced to Japan, the kanji for Oni was used, which had a similar meaning. Incidentally, the word Oni first appears in Japanese history in Nihon Shoki, Chronicles of Japan, which was established in 720. It is said that Emperor Keiko of the time ordered Yamato Takeru to defeat the Kadamashiki Oni, which were known to afflict a large number of people. The image of Kadamashiki Oni, a foreign race that afflicts many people, phenomena they do not understand, and the plagues changed from being invisible until the Heian period to the image of a head with horn and cleft mouth with fangs by Muromachi period. Regarding ONI-GAWARA, on the other hand, they are thought to be even older in history and originated in Europe. It is believed to have originated in the Greek mythology of Medusa, who was turned to stone if stirred up and was placed as the entrance to world of evil spirits. The entrance decoration is said to have been introduced to Japan via the Silk Road during the Nara period. Now the shrimp is ready to grill. ONI-GAWARA YAKI, devil tile, turned out to be like broken tiles.
Oh no!
It was a big mistake. I think this was because the skewer was too big and the shrimp was too small to cut in half with a knife. Next, I would like to make it with a large shrimp. I also made the shrimp skewer and grilled crab. The whole house smells good with the aroma of shrimp and crabs, but it is hard to get rid of these smells, so I strongly recommend cooking outside when grilled shrimp and crab. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd be delighted if you subscribe.